This video I will explain how UPI AutoPay works for Netflix, EMI and SIP. When you enable AutoPay, you create a UPI mandate. A mandate means you give official permission to automatically debit money in the future. Now we will see the basic setup. This is same for Netflix, EMI and SIP. You have to choose UPI AutoPay as a payment option. Your UPI app opens. You see the mandate details. You approve using your UPI PIN, one time only. After this, the system runs automatically. Now we will see auto debit limit rule. For most subscriptions like Netflix, up to 15,000 per payment. Fully automatic debit, no need to enter UPI PIN every month. For financial payments like EMI, SIP, insurance and credit card, up to 100,000 rupees per payment. Also automatic, no monthly approval is required. If the amount is above the limit, you must approve manually in the app. Now we will see UPI AutoPay for Netflix subscription case. During setup, you approve monthly amount, billing date, validity. What happens every month? On the billing date, the system sends a pre-debit notification. Money is deducted automatically. Your Netflix continues without interruption. Timing rule. Auto debit usually happens during non-peak hours, late night or early morning. This improves success rate. Now we will see UPI AutoPay for EMI. For example, loan repayment. During setup, you approve fixed EMI amount, monthly debit date and loan duration. What happens every month? On the EMI date, you receive a pre-debit message. EMI is debited automatically. Your loan is marked as paid. If balance is low, the system will retry multiple times as per new retry rule. If it is not successful, your EMI becomes unpaid. Now we will see UPI AutoPay for SIP, which is mutual fund investment. During setup, you approve monthly investment amount, SIP date and duration. What happens every month? On SIP date, amount is debited automatically. It is invested in your mutual fund. This helps in disciplined investing without manual payment. Now we will see retry rule. If AutoPay fails due to low balance or bank issue, then the system will make one main attempt plus up to 3 retries. This increases payment success. Now we will see the safety system. UPI AutoPay is safe because it starts only with your UPI PIN. No one can activate AutoPay without you. Next point, fixed debit rule. The company can debit only the approved amount within the approved maximum limit and on the approved date. Next point, pre-debit alert. Before every debit, you get a notification with amount and date. So there are no hidden deductions. Next point, full control from your UPI app. You can pause, modify and cancel AutoPay anytime. Now in most UPI apps, you can see all active AutoPay mandates in one place. This helps you to track subscriptions, avoid unwanted debits and cancel easily. Now we will see the real life example. Think of it like telling your bank, in case of Netflix, pay the subscription every month. In case of EMI, pay this loan on 5th of every month. In case of SIP, invest this amount every month. You say this once, after that, the bank automatically deduct the amount for you automatically. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.